What's up, guys? So happy Thanksgiving. Tomorrow we have our Thanksgiving potluck where everyone brings a dish or two or three, and we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna be talking about what we're thankful for, and it's just gonna be a good overall great time today because it's cool to enjoy and break bread with your partners, with your teammates, because in essence we're a big team. So we want to make sure that we can provide solutions to their issues or problems, and we're just going to talk about what we got going on, and I think it's going to be pretty cool. So that's what we got going on today. I'm doing some work before everyone gets here and going through the calendar, and there's a lot of things that we got to button up because tomorrow everyone's off, same with Friday, so it's going to be cool. So we'll see you inside.
Oh, did we see the thing yet?
Yeah.
She posted because she gets kicked out of her house or whatever. Everyone's one boy.
Whatever.
No, not mine.
Citrus orange something.
No, I like the, I think it's like chicken.
What's entitlement? What's entitlement? Yeah. It's when you...
No, it's situating the parcel for what it's for. Meaning, like, if you're going to build a house, when you have the entitlements, you're able to build a house. Because he can't build a house without entitlements to that land. So if you're referencing to, like, if you entitled a piece of parcel, like you develop plans, right, for it, you've entitled that whole parcel. Now you're able to sell the proposed plan to someone because you went through the process of entitlement. Entitlement means just in that context of they're asking what else can we build on that parcel with an existing structure already. So the zoning, that's where it comes in, of what you're able to build in addition to. Because remember, when you have a commercial building, it's only zoned for a specific, with your setbacks, right? So they want to know if they're able to build something else on that existing
And that won't
structure.
that won't be in the zoning. That'll be with the entitlement, and then the planning division will go ahead and provide that. Okay, great.
Yeah.
I'm in contact with the planning department.
Perfect.
I just didn't want to know. I want to know what I'm asking before I ask it.
So we wired today for one of our newest investment properties. It's pretty cool, and the best part is, it didn't cost me no money to buy this investment. So what happened is I have a property under contract. We're closing escrow today. We wired the money, but what's cool is that the money that I wired, it's mine initially, but then I put a investor in on this deal to make 10 or 12% a return on his money. So in essence, my out-of-pocket expense on this transaction is probably going to be about $10,000 out of pocket, which is not bad, and we're probably going to make about 60 to 70,000 in profit, which is awesome. So in essence, it could be a 7x return on the investment out of pocket. It's going to cost us more money, but still, this is where you're going to be able to help other people create some interest on their money. So if you're out there and you're looking to partner up on some transactions like what we have, then shoot me a DM, hit me up, and we'll put you in on our next investment.
Press one escrow, and it looks like it's a transaction coordinator fee.
Oh yeah.
Does it go to you? Then you pay her.
That's me.
Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna have a stack of them.
No, like this here, like this will be me. She gets a bill, 100.
There was one right here. There's like an actual invoice in the back.
Oh, perfect.
I just wasn't sure how it.
Yeah, even better. I love this.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I'll have a
Yeah.
stack for you.
Okay, thank you. Have them call me. I know your friend called me, I talked to him. He's like, oh yeah, okay, no problem, thank you. Like, I answered all the questions he had, and yeah. Okay, so have him call me. You have my cell phone number, and I answer my phone. If not, they can leave a message. All right, Janice, if I don't talk to you later today, have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll talk tomorrow or Friday. You just shoot me a call or text me. You're welcome. Thank you, Janice. Bye-bye. Let's go. So, that was a deal where I'm trying to buy a property subject to the existing mortgage. Their payment is like $600 a month. I'm going to be taking over a $95,000 or $96,000 mortgage, and it might cost me about $15,000 to $20,000 out of pocket, but I get a house for $113,000 or whatever it is, and I get to fix it up, and it will cash flow because I'll put a renter in there after I fix it for $1,400, $1,500, cash flow $1,000 a month. So in about a year and a half, I get paid back all of my investment. I still own the asset, and then I could potentially refinance it later or whatever I want to do. So not bad, especially with a 2.8% interest rate on that first mortgage. So pretty cool. Things you do in real estate, you always find different opportunities. So as long as you're prepared for that. Let's go. Hi. Is G? She's passed out? Oh shit. Mijita. Let's go, baby. Look at, I like your little boots. Oh my gosh. Where? You want your Speedo? Of the whole time? No, we'll get something right now. There it is. Oh, look at that's so, huh? Somebody has that. Somebody gave me a Happy Thanksgiving picture without a watermark. Someone, anyone. Oh, how do I never stop it? This is cool. This is Happy Thanksgiving, guys. This is our first.
Happy Calorie Day.
Yes. This is definitely our first potluck. I mean, we've had, this is our first one. Because last time we didn't, when we let people know about Chiana. That's the last time we all had, everybody here, which is cool. So I just want to say that I'm thankful for all of you guys showing up every single day, getting better at everything, and like understanding that, you know what, we're here to learn. We're here to inspire each and every one of us to do more. I know I pressed you guys a lot to like get better and better and better because I know that there's more in you. So I just want to say thank you first of all to everybody showing up today, which is cool. I'm excited to enjoy today and hang out with all of you. It's cool that Alyssa and my little princesses are here too, which is awesome. And I wouldn't be able to do a lot of my stuff without her because she takes care of the kids and she takes care of everything on the back end, and finally getting her some help with Javier. So thank you, Javier.
Thank you, Javier.
Because he's gangster too, by the way. Like he handles a lot of stuff. So I couldn't do a lot of the stuff that I do, and the time I put into the office, and having the ability to help JP with the team, with everybody that's here, to get better. And I just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you to my lady, my beautiful daughters. I'm missing my other one, and who knows what we're having, because I don't know yet. We don't know yet. I think it's Luciano in there though. I think it's a little boy, my opinion. I mean, I'm shooting for that, right? We're already shot, but we'll see what happens. Hey, it's funny though, right? Shoot or shoot, baby. Yeah, shoot or shoot. But no, seriously though, guys, I want you guys to give yourselves a round of applause for being here and just being part of the team. And I'm really appreciative of everybody. And we get to enjoy, we get to break bread, and and honestly, without any faith, because it takes a lot to have faith. Wendy, you've been here, and Reggie the longest, and you guys have seen what's happened. We lost everybody, and then it was like 2 or 3 people, and we're like, where the hell is everybody at? when COVID hit and everything else, you know, and then now we're back as a team, and it feels good. It pushes all of us, and I don't think that nobody's here unless they have some faith. And I think the faith to become more, the faith to like know that you're going to get better, and the faith just to be like literally blind faith because we don't know where we're going, right? We have an understanding, but I also know that all of us have some type of faith, and you know, and without Him, nobody's here. So that's one thing I will say. And you know, you get tested a lot, you get challenged a lot, and you wonder why things happen to me. It needs to be changed to why things happen for you, because everything's a lesson. Nothing's a failure. It's always a lesson moving forward, and it's truly remarkable to see where we're going. And I just want to say thank you again to all of you. I'm not going to name everybody, but I will shout out, you know, my lady and my kids for helping me out. Javier, you've been a blessing for like the 2 weeks that you've been here, so I will say thank you to you. And JP, for continuing to push me, and you then push everybody else. Isaac, for literally always asking me, like, what's up, when can I meet you, this, that, and the other, a couple of years ago. Reggie, for sticking it out. I mean, hardcore. Where's Kira? Oh, yeah, right there. Duh. Everybody give her a round of applause right now, because it's for her getting her license and her being, you know, with us this whole time, especially with Reggie as like the awesome dad he is. It's pretty cool to see that she's here too, and it's awesome. You know, Wendy, for, you know, if it wasn't for virtual, Wendy, like you wouldn't be plugged in. So that's what's awesome about the whole Zoom thing that happened, and you know, and we would talk, you know, and I would help her dad back in the day buy a bunch of houses, and that's crazy how it comes full circle. Same with Mike. I helped you, Lucero. I helped you guys buy a house, and it's cool that all of us are a team. And yeah, that's what I got. And I just want to say thank you, and let's eat. And you know, we're definitely blessed to be here. Other people don't have that opportunity, and you know what's happening in the other country, and where they have a ceasefire for 5 days. We get to sleep, we get to chill. We don't have to worry about that shit. And I understand that sometimes we take it for granted, but just know that that we shouldn't. So I will do a little prayer, and yeah, and then we'll eat.
It's all good.
It's all good. Lord, thank you very much for blessing us, for allowing us to come together today and enjoy, you know, a nice feast, lunch, have good conversations, and just know that we are truly blessed, and we appreciate everything that you do give us. In God's name, amen. All right, let's go. Yeah, it was good. Good. Let's go, guys.
I love you too. I love you too. How do you know? How do you know?
Alright guys, so that was our Thanksgiving potluck. We got a ton of food left. I'm on plate number 2. I should just cut it down some more. We got a lot of dessert. But the best part about today is that everybody was here. We were together as a team, and we broke bread. We discussed what we got, going on this year, our challenges and stuff like that too. And it's pretty awesome. So I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving and spend it with your families. Take care.